Good morning. Continue. Chemical reactions. रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया part 3. Part 1 and part 2 have already finished. Today part 3 chemical reaction. रासायनिक प्रतिक्रियाको part 3 मा. Question number 1 यस प्रकार छ. Mention some factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions. अर्थात् रासायनिक प्रतिक्रियालाई असर पार्ने केही तत्त्वहरू लेख्नुहोस्. अब दे आर नम्बर 1 टेम्परेचर. Temperature increases the rate of chemical reactions. Temperature, then pressure. Temperature, तापक्रम, pressure, चाप, physical contact, when the reactants are in physical contact, close contact, the reaction is fast. Surface area. If the surface area is more, the rate of reaction is also more. Electricity also. Catalysts. Use of catalysts. Some chemical reactions are very slow. Use catalyst to speed up the. Another is concentration and physical state. Concentration. That means two types, dilute and concentrated. If the reactants are concentrated, the reaction is fast. If it is dilute, reaction is slow. अर्थात् concentrated solution भएमा reaction fast हुन्छ र dilute solution भएमा reaction slow हुन्छ. अब यो पछि physical state 7 8 मा physical states of matter like solid, liquid or gas. What is the state of the reactants? Solid, liquid or gas. If it is lump, reaction is very slow, but when it is powdered, the reaction is fast. Question number 2. And question number 1 finished. Some factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions are temperature, pressure, physical contact, surface area, electricity, catalysts, concentration, physical states of matter. Question number 1 finished. Question number 2 is as follows. What happens when? Or before that, I'll write some other question. Mention 3 applications or 4 applications also. Applications of the acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction. Acid-base reaction is also called neutralization reaction. See, we know in our daily life there are some practical applications of the acid-base reaction. अम्ल र क्षारका जुन प्रतिक्रियाहरू हुन्छन् त्यसबाट हाम्रो जीवनमा के कुरा फाइदा हुन्छ त गाउँघरमा पनि यो प्रयोग गरिन्छ. In villages also we can apply some local applications. We can use some local matters, local solutions, matters, substances to have some applications. What are they? Today's last topic is mention some practical applications. The answer is some practical applications of the neutralization means acid base. Reactions are as follows. What are they? Number one, to cure hyperacidity or gastritis. To cure hyperacidity, what we can use? We can use acid-base reaction or neutralization reaction. Hyperacidity, there is acidity in the stomach, we can use base. Use a base. Example, इनो खाने. इनो खाएमा यसले के गर्छ? एसिडलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्छ. एसिड प्लस बेस, सल्ट प्लस वाटर, न्यूट्रलाइजेसन रिएक्सन. टु क्योर insect bite or nettle sting. सिस्नोले पोलेमा वा किरा फट्याङ्ग्राले, किरा इन्सेक्ट भन्नाले एन्ट, बी, वास्प, यिनीहरूले कुनै किरा, बारुला, त्यसै अरू बच्छु, बारुला, बच्चुहरू, अरू किराहरूले टोक्दा अथवा नेटल स्टिङ सिस्नोले पोल्दा पनि हामीले त्यस्तो प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौँ. इफ एसिड इज इन्जेक्टेड, use base. If base is injected, use acid. अर्को छ, the most important thing is to taste soil. To taste soil. Example, here the best example is Crisisune or calcium oxide or say calcium hydroxide is used to neutralize acidic soil. If the soil is acidic, use a base. If the soil is basic, use acid. Most important things are as follows. Some practical applications. Mention some practical applications of the acid-base reaction. Some practical applications of the neutralization reaction or acid-base reactions are as follows. To cure hyperacidity or gastritis in the stomach. For example, by using eno or base, acidity is controlled. To cure insect bite or nettle sting, सिस्नुले पोल्दा वा किरा फट्याङ्ग्राहरूले टोक्दा प्रयोग गरिन्छ. Number 3, to test soil. Soil test, for soil test it is very important. And another is also there. To make salts. To make salts, we can use this method. For example, I will give a very simple example. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus water. In the same way, you can use another, calcium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid gives what? base plus acid, salt plus water. Salt, what salt? Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate twice H2O by controlling. What are the main four to cure hyperacidity? Number one. Number two, to cure insect bite or needle sting. Number three, to test soil. माटोको परीक्षण गर्नको लागि. And number four, to make salts. Neutralization reaction. जीवनमा सल्ट अथवा नुन बनाउनको पनि प्रविधि प्रयोग हुन्छ. Base plus acid, salt plus water. Some examples are NaOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O. Another is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice plus sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate and water. They are some practical applications. Next time, part 4. If you have any problems, please comment.